Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Kevin. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to repair your wood furniture if it has a crack, split, or chips, or whatever imperfection it may be. I can help you fix it. Look at this nasty split right in the middle. In order for me to fix this split or crack, I would need to buy wood filler, or you can make your own and just fill it in. Apply some on and push it down. Push it down in the crack. You want to fill it. You want to fill in the cracks. Once you have it all filled up, you have to let it dry and then sand it down. I also have another video that teaches you how to make your own wood filler. Very cheap and easy. I'm going to scrape off the excess. So this is all dried up now. This actually turned out very nicely. I can already feel that the gap has already been filled up. Now I'm gonna sand this down with 80 grit sandpaper just to smooth out the surface, get rid of the excess. Now I'm going to do some final sanding with 400 grit sandpaper. Then we're going to be ready for prime. Okay, this is now smooth like a baby's bottom. Now we're ready for prime. I wiped down all the dust off with the damp cloth. Now I'm ready to put on the primer. Okay, the primer has been dried up. Now it's time to paint. You can see a minor line, but that'll be okay. The paint will cover that up. This is the finished product, guys. Nice and smooth. No more cracks. All filled in. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I also have a contest going on right now. I'll leave a link in the description below. Peace out.